subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch its upcoming affordable 5G phone called Galaxy A22. And before the launch, the Galaxy A22 5G smartphone renders were surfaced online by Steve Hammerstoffer through his blogging platform called Voice. And the same smartphone was recently spotted on Geekbench listing that revealed some of the key specifications of the upcoming phone. According to leaks and rumors, the Galaxy A22 5G will feature a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that will house an 13-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to support a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA cameras will include one 48-megapixel primary camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel third camera. Under the hood, the Galaxy A22 5G will come powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 11 with One UI 3.1 skin on top. The device is expected to pack with a massive 5000 mAh battery that will support 18-watt fast charging via Type-C charging port. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A22 5G has leaked so far, and the phone is expected to price around $200. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A22 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.